Well, hello everybody, welcome. You are watching Let's Zoom It. Maybe you remember that I sat just like this in the first episode I made, where I zoomed in the bridge 10 kilometers away. Now I'm back here and I was thinking I have been thinking for a quite long time, isn't there a camera that could replace all this, maybe even the telescope or like that? And I think we might have found the one. In this episode we will take a quick look of the zoom of the Nikon Coolpix P1000. It should be able to replace everything we struggled with before. The camera itself is, it's quite big. It reminds me of the, system camera. And it has a zoom range from 24mm to 3000mm. And it also say that it has a fine zoom or something that make it go up to 6000mm, and with a maximum digital zoom it go up to 12,000mm. I will not go through the details of the camera because there are so many other YouTubers you can watch that really go into the smallest detail of the camera. But the camera itself, it has the big zoom. You see the lens when it zoom in. It be quite big. And in this video I will just show you some examples that I zoomed. I just had it for some days. We will start by watching when I zoom in a bird. It will be, you see this, I will put some screenshots where you can see. Here is one. It show the distance from where I be on my balcony to the bird, and it's about 55 meters, so let's zoom it. Well, that wasn't so bad, I will say. It was quite good, even if it was a little bit shaky. It was shaky because I only had a tripod, don't have any video tripod or something. So yeah, the videos I will show here will be a little shaky when it's zoomed in at the maximum. But I think that will be solved in the future where I maybe get a better tripod. We will take a look when I zoom in the clock. It's located here in my city, and it happens to be exactly 400 meters. You can see here on the screenshot. 400 meters exactly from my balcony, so let's zoom it. Well, that wasn't bad at all. I think it was 400 meters away exactly from here where I am. And we will go directly to another place. We will zoom in the edge of Stumholmen. It's an island located from So I had some trouble with the camera, but I'm back, and we just watched the video of zooming in the fence at Stumholmen. It's looked like the big rusty chains hanging between, look like old torpedo or something. And in the next clip we will zoom in a little island located, you see it in the screen now. It's located 2.15 kilometer from my balcony. So let's zoom that. Well, that wasn't so bad. You could see the two rings that was located on the island in the video also. Yeah, I think we go directly to next target, which is another island, another kilometer, 3.15 kilometers away. You see it in the screen now. Let's zoom in. A little shaky, I could say, but it was, like I said, it's because of the tripod. It's not steady, and it was a bit windy also, and every little piece of disturbance make the camera shake like an earthquake when it has the amount of zoom that we are using in this video. So a steadier tripod will be have to in the future. So next clip will be about where we started this channel. We will zoom in the bridge that is exactly 10 kilometers away. You see on the screen now, and see if it gets better than with the telescope and everything in the first episode. You can be the judge here, and you can comment below or something if you think it can replace the telescope. Let's zoom it. I think it was doing better than the telescope, at least on ground level. How to say, it doesn't show so much of disturbance from the water. And the last out in this episode will be, we will try to see how it did on the moon. I actually was able to do a little clip on a little tiny piece of moon the other night. So let's zoom it and see. Well, thank you so much for watching this video. This was the quick zoom test of the Nikon P1000. I can say I have big hopes for this camera, and I think I will try to do some close-up filming, maybe some flower video or something, and of course want to zoom in the moon in the future also. So see you in another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.